I wanted big diamonds and rubies too, but now that I have them, I'd rather have you. I wanted a mansion with everything new, and now that I have them, I'd rather have you. The kisses from your lips were sweeter than wine. The love that you gave me was something so fine. I'd give up my riches and reach mine too, 'cause now that I have them, I'd rather have you. The kisses from your lips was sweeter than wine. The love that you gave me was something so fine. I gave up my riches and reached mine too, 'cause now that I have them, I'd rather have you.
Okay, ako mga request.
Be today that she won't come back to stay, that she only comes to pick up her clothes. Hero, I must not cry that your love for me has died, but she found somebody else, I suppose. Baby blue, baby blue, do you know that I'm still in love with you? Now I know that you won't be here no more. How I need you, how I want you, baby. I know I must forget all the good times we had, but I know that I can't forget you. You're still on my mind, and I know I can't find such a girl as my sweet baby blue, baby blue. baby blue. Satin sheets to lie on, satin pillows to cry on. Still, I'm that happy, don't you see? Big long Cadillac, tailor-made upon my bed. Still, I want you to set me free. I found another man who can give more than you can. So you've given me everything that money can buy, but your money can hold me tight like heathers on a long, long night. You know, you didn't keep me satisfied. Satin sheets to lie on, satin pillows to cry on. Still, I'm that happy, don't you see? Big long Cadillac, tailor-made upon my bed. Still, I want you to set me free. Satin sheets to lie on, satin pillows to cry on. Still, I'm not happy, don't you see? Big long Cadillac, tailor-made upon my bed. Still, I want you to set me free. Satin sheets to lie on.
Lagi apa na po nag-request?
Your cheating heart will make you weep. You'll cry and try to sleep.
Agyaman apo nga nag-request. Kiti sumaro request apo ni Alia Flores nga binayada na apo ti
When I woke this morning, imagine by surprise, on my pillow lay a single yellow rose. I smiled, but when I read a card, the teardrops filled my eyes. It was the only way that you could say goodbye. You couldn't tell me to my face that you had found another, and it never crossed my mind you'd be untrue. So today, as I lay sleeping, you left me here alone, and you said goodbye with a single yellow rose. Did you know that yellow roses feel you love someone forever? And did you know they'd say forever I'll be true? Why did you have to go astray, leaving your love away? Why did you leave a single yellow rose? You couldn't tell me to my face that you had found another, and it never crossed my mind you'd be untrue. So today, as I lay sleeping, you left me alone, and you said goodbye with a single yellow rose. Yes, you said goodbye with a single.
Just the agina apo nga nag-request. Kiti sumarong request